Hello, welcome back to Live Love Risa, your favorite sewing channel. So glad that you could join me today. We have been working on these 9 projects, and in the process of getting ready for these 9 projects, I have come across other items that need to be altered, changed, tweaked just a little bit so that I can actually wear them. So we're going to take a little bit of a break, and today's going to be an alteration day. I believe I can get all of this done today, and we're going to start with this cute skirt that I bought from Target. It's like a sweater type material, and you can just tell, look at the way it's shaped. It's like shaped like a box, and it fits me fine, except that it's a little bit loose in the waist. And so I want to take it in the waist and a little bit in the hip, which will create more of a flare on the bottom. So that's what we're doing with that. Number 2 is this blouse that I thrifted. It's got a very pretty embroidery detail at the neck and at the sleeve. This is a little bit tight at the bicep. I got thick arms. It's no secret, I've got thick arms. So I'm just gonna open that up and so that it fits better. Black leggings that I've worn for a long time, but they always seem to slip down in the back. So we're gonna add a dart to the back of these. Chunky green sweater that I just thrifted. It's got this one piece of yarn hanging out, which is not that big of a deal, but also the arms are just way too big. I wanted it oversized, so this is actually a 3X, but look at that wrist. It's just very loose. So we're gonna add some stitches, some pleats, something in the wrist, in the cuff, so that it fits better. And then if we have time, a quick little upcycle. I have had these pants for quite some time. I thrifted them, over a year ago, 2 years ago maybe. And it also came, it's a 2-piece. It came with a top, but the size is petite large. So while the shirt fits me, I can button it. It's too small in the shoulder area. And then I get just like, it just doesn't look good. I have thick shoulders. I just have an idea to merge the two together to make just a kind of cool pair of pants. So that's it. That's what we're gonna be doing today. Let's get started. All right, so I have these. Got black pants here. Got them inside out. I just think that I don't wanna go past the seam because it's so thick right here. I'm just gonna take about a 1/2 inch, which equals an inch, on each side. Hopefully, that'll give me the fit that I want. Okay. All right, so the skirt, I have the skirt on inside out. We're gonna start here at the waist, pinning more than an inch. I'm gonna do that all the way down, not all the way down. Goodness. Do the same thing on this side. Now we're going to go to the machine. So this is the sweater with its slight alteration. I think the sleeve looks really cute. And I do like wearing it like this. It feels so chic. I'm wearing it tonight to a small group, so something very casual. Tomorrow I will get to the upcycle. It's not that I didn't have time. I was just really being lazy. And I went to the store and did other things. Anyway, so we'll get to that tomorrow, and I am on my way out. Bye. It is Tuesday, y'all. I don't know who I thought I was when I said I was gonna finish this upcycle, but I did not. So let's get into it. I'm gonna lay my shirt flat, and then I am measuring up 14 inches from the hem of the shirt. I'm going to mark, and now we cut. This bottom half is going to be the skirt that goes over the pants. So I'm gonna rip open the side seams, leave maybe about 1 inch at the top. Now I'm gonna go over to my machine and I'm gonna turn over those raw edges and stitch them down. Now I have my raw edge on the top. I'm gonna serge that raw edge, and then I'm gonna go to my ironing board and press it down about 1/2 inch. Once I have that done, part that I have already turned down, I'm just gonna stitch right on top of that. I'm finding the center front, center back, and I'm lining it up with the center front and center back on the pants. And I'm gonna top stitch it all the way around, stretching where there's an elastic so that it fits in a little more smoothly. And that's it. Yay! It's so cute. I love it. And let's see if I can style it. I'll be right back. All right, so a ring that I never wear. One earring. I have the other one. The other one is just broken. And this one I just kind of rigged it just so I could take this picture. This fantastic necklace that is so heavy. And let me show you the full fit. It is definitely giving a music festival. Yeah. I love it. I would wear this tomorrow if we're hot enough. That is all for this video. Thank you so much for your patience. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about these pants. And I will see you all in next week's video. Bye. Thank you for your patience. I will see you guys in next week's video. Bye. My drawers showing.